से और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में टुडे। BEL, Cochin Shipyard, Maruti Suzuki, NSDL Among Nearly 130 companies to declare earning. Garden Research, Shipbuilder and Engineer, Larsen, Toubro and TVS Motor Company are some of the major firms scheduled to declare earning on Jan 28. More than 125 companies will declare the result of Q3 financial year 2026 on Jan 28. Leading players across the sector schedules to announce their result for the third quarter of financial year 2025 to 2026 on Jan 28 include TVS Motor Company, Bharat Electronics Ltd, Larsen and Toubro, L&T and Maruti Suzuki India. Among others, some of these companies could also announce dividends. Several of them have also announced the schedule for their Q3 financial year 2026. Earning call to discuss the result with the investor and analysis. List of the company declaring the Q3 result on Jan 28. Aditya Birla Real Estate Ltd, ACC Ltd, ACDR Ltd, Actas Chemical Ltd, Aeroflex Industry Limited, Agro Greenpack Limited, Agro Below Speed Ltd, Aksar Chem India Limited, Arabian Chem India Limited, Arabian Fashion Ltd, Automotive Stamping and Assemblies Ltd, or many others companies declared Q3 results today or 28 Jan. And the TVS Motor Company's Q3 financial year 2026 result declare कर दिया और TVS Motor Company ने TVS Motor Company report as 25 year 1 year raised in consolidated total income at rest 14,037.22 crore in Q3 financial year 2026 compared to res 11,229.5 crore in Q2 financial year 2025. Its net profit grew 41.6% YoY to res 832.76 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 from res 588.13 crore in the year ago quarter. BEL Q3 financial year 2026 result. State-owned and Bharat Electronics Ltd. BEL registered a 24.85% YoY growth in consolidated total income at res 5,946.01 crore. GRSE Garden Rich Shipbuilder and Engineer reported a 57% year-on-year raise in profit after tax to res 154 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 from res 98 crore in Q2 financial year 2025. Total income grew 42% YoY to res 1,746 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 from res 1,228 crore in the same period in the previous financial year.